Biozoology Chapter 2 Human Reproduction. In the human body, every organ system works continuously with coordination to maintain homeostasis for their survival. An individual may live a long, healthy life without producing an offspring, but reproduction is unavoidable for the existence of the species. So, human reproductive system is essential for survival of species. Reproductive system has four main functions. First one, to produce the gametes, namely sperm and ova. Second one, to transport and sustain these gametes. Third one, to nurture the developing offspring. Fourth one, to produce hormones. In human beings, nine major reproductive events are there. First one, gametogenesis, formation of gametes by the process of spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Second one, insemination, transfer of sperms from, from the male to female genital tract. Third one, fertilization, fusion of male and female gamete. Fourth one, cleavage, rapid mitotic division of zygote. The single cell zygote modify into multicellular blastocyst. Fifth one, implantation, attachment of blastocyst to uterine wall. Sixth one, placentation, formation of placenta between fetus and uterine wall of mother for exchanging of nutrients. Seventh one, gastrulation, formation of gastrula. Blastocyst is changed into gastrula and forms the three germ layers. Eighth one, organogenesis, formation of organ from the germ layers. Ninth one, parturition, expulsion of the fetus from the mother womb. These functions are carried out by primary and secondary reproductive organs. The primary reproductive organs, ovary and testes. It is responsible for producing ova and sperms. Hormones secreted by pituitary gland and gonads. It is helps to formation of secondary sexual characters, maturation of reproductive system and regulation of normal functioning of reproductive system. Accessory organs or secondary organs helps the transport and sustain the gametes and nurture the developing offspring. Reproductive system. Both the sexes have reproductive organs called genitals or genitalia. It is designed for the purpose of intercourse and conception. First, we are going to see about male reproductive system. The given picture is male reproductive system. Scrotum, a sac-like pouch located behind the penis that hold each testis and helps regulate the temperature for sperm production. Testicles or testes. The two testes are small organs that lies in the scrotum and produce sperm and male hormone testosterone. The testicles are outside of the body because the male sperm production they need 2 to 3 degrees Celsius lower than body temperature for normal growth and development. 4 to 5 billion sperm cells are produced each month. Sperm, the microscopic cells produced by the male's testicles which can fertilize the female ovum. They are tiny living cell and it is smallest cell in the men's body. If you compare 100 times smaller than pencil dot. It is destroyed by warm body temperature and acidic environment. It can survive in the female body for 5 to 8 days. Tunica albuginea. It is outer fibrous cover of the testis. It is divided into 200 to 250 lobules by septa. Each lobules containing 2 to 4 highly coiled testicular tubules or seminiferous tubule. These highly convoluted tubules form 80% of testicular substance. It is the site for sperm production. Seminiferous tubules is made up of two types of cells, namely sertolic cells, second one spermatogonic cells. Sertolic cells are nerve cells. It is elongated and pyramidal cells provide nourishment to the sperms till the maturation. They are secrete inhibin hormone. It is the negative feedback control of sperm production. Second one, spermatogonic cells or male germ cells produced spermatozoa by meiotically. Interstitial cells or Leydig cells embedded in the soft connective tissues surrounding the seminiferous tubule. It is also endocrine in nature and secrete androgen, namely testosterone hormone. Testosterone hormone, the male reproductive hormone made by testicles which cause the changes of puberty. This hormone causes secondary sexual character, production of sperm, and sexual urge. Other immunological component also present. Accessory ducts. In the male reproductive system, they have four accessory ducts. First one, retri testis. Second one, vasa efferentia. Third one, epididymis. And fourth one, vas deferens. So here they given the picture. We can see all the ducts clearly. Retri testis, tubular network of posterior side of the testis. Seminiferous tubules of each lobe converge to form a tubulus rectus that conveys the sperm into the retri testis. Second one, vasa efferentia. Sperm leaves retri testis and enter into epididymis through vasa efferentia. Epididymis, the structure that form a mass over the back and upper part of each testis. It is single highly coiled tube temporarily store a spermatozoa up to 6 weeks. They undergo physiological maturation and occur increased. Vas deferens, two long thin tubules that serves as a passageway for the sperm and place for sperm storage. The contraction of the vas deferens along with the action of the cilia help transport the sperm through the vas deferens. Accessory glands of male reproductive system. Pair of seminal vesicles and bulbourethral glands are called as corpus gland and single prostate gland. Seminal vesicles, two small glands that secrete a alkaline fluid. This fluid contains seminal plasma and coagulating enzyme. Seminal plasma containing fructose sugar, ascorbic acid, prostaglandins, and coagulating enzyme vesiculase. This all helps nourishes and enable the sperm to move. Bulbourethral gland, Inferior to the prostate gland, two small pea-shaped glands on the both the side of the base of the penis. They secrete a clear sticky fluid that helps to lubrication of penis. Prostate gland surround the urethra beneath the bladder. The glands secrete a slightly acidic fluid because it contains citrate, several enzymes, and prostate-specific antigen that neutralize the acid found in the male urethra and female reproductive tract. Without the action of secretion of prostate gland, many sperms would die and fertilization of the ovum would be impossible. Urethra, a dual purpose tube that both semen and urine pass through to leave the body. Semen and urine never mix. Penis, the male organ for sexual intercourse of reproduction and urination. It is made up of special tissue that helps in the erection of penis to facilitate insemination. Enlarged end of the penis is called gland penis is covered by loose fold of skins called foreskin or prepuce. The reproductive purpose of the penis is to deposit semen in the vagina during the sexual intercourse. Semen or seminal fluid. It is a milky white fluid. It contains sperm and seminal fluid. Seminal plasma is a combination of fluid that is produced in the seminal vesicle, prostate gland, and corpus gland. This fluid nourishes and helps the sperm move through the urethra and also contain chemicals that protect and active the sperm and facilitate their movement.